second graders, welcome back to Where Does All the Water Go? It's Molly again with the Coastal Watershed Council, and this is an overview of what you're going to be doing in lesson number 2. So by now, you are already on step 1. You are watching this video. Once you're done with this video, click here and you're going to join Greg as he shares how to be a mindful or thoughtful breather. That's going to be your mindfulness activity for the day. Step 3, we're going to do an activity where you're going to go outside and you're going to make it rain on different surfaces to see what happens when rain falls on these different surfaces. So you can click on this link here and you can follow Sam as he guides you through the activity. So he'll tell you exactly what to do so that when you go outside with a grown-up, you'll know exactly what to do. Then, my friends, after you've done your activity, you're going to go to your journal. And you're going to go to the second page where it says, Make It Rain. And it's asking you to check off where does the water go on each surface. So say, for example, I made it rain on the cement. And I noticed that the water stayed on top of the cement. It didn't go into it. But I also noticed that the water started to flow away, that the cement was kind of on a slant. So I would check off 2 of these. I would check off that the water stays on top, and I would also check off that the water flows away. And you would do the same thing for all 4 of the surfaces that you tested: cement, grass, rocks, and soil. After you completed that, we're going to do a word study of 2 different words that are big words: permeable and impermeable. So you're going to watch this quick video that introduces you to these 2 words. And once you've had a chance to learn what is permeable and what does impermeable mean, you're going to go back to your journal, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to write down things you found in your home that are permeable or impermeable, and you're going to check off surfaces you tested earlier as permeable or impermeable. So let's take a look at the journal here. So we're going to go to number 3, and here's some information about what's permeable and what's impermeable. And then you'll do a little scavenger hunt around your house, and you'll type in some things that you found that are permeable at home. So for example, I noticed that a pillow is permeable, so I wrote that down there. And I noticed that my t-shirt is permeable. Something that I found around my home that's impermeable is a cup. Okay? You'll learn more about permeable and impermeable throughout this activity, so don't worry if you don't know what those words mean right now. And then the final thing you're going to do, my friends, is you're going to think back to the surfaces you tested outside. And do you think that they are permeable or impermeable? And you can check off what you think they are. Now, to check your answers, to check if you were right, you can scroll or find the very last page in the journal, and it's going to give you the answers. Okay? But I want you to think about that for yourself first. Okay? So that is the end of lesson number 2. Thanks, my friends. Have fun.